Good morning, friends. Welcome to the daily morning podcast of SBI Securities. On behalf of SBI Securities, I wish you and your family happy Dhanteras. May Lord Dhanvantri bless with tons of wealth and good health to you and your family. Let us quickly check what happened in the Indian market yesterday. Yesterday was a lackluster day wherein Nifty was down by 48 points, whereas Sensex closed down by 143 points at levels of 64,832. Nifty closed at levels of 19,395. Kind of more of a flattish kind of trading day yesterday, being a weekly expiry. Nifty mid cap 100 and small cap 100 were also down to the tune of 0.2%. In terms of sectoral gainer, so we saw a positive closing from stocks of real estate and auto sector, whereas FMCG and IT were under pressure. In terms of fund flow, again foreign institutional investor continue to remain seller in the stock market, with FII outflow to the tune of 1712 crore, whereas DII are supporting the equity market with positive inflow to the tune of 1512 crore. In terms of market breadth, again yesterday the breadth was in the favor of bear. So we have seen 2129 stocks closing in red yesterday against 1587 stocks closing in green. So overall yesterday number of declines were more than number of advances. Let us check the count on 52-week high and low. So yesterday we saw 248 stocks scaling 52-week high and 28 stocks hitting 52-week low. Among the 248 stocks which have scaled 52-week high, I saw some interesting names and I would like to put forth that list in front of you. Alchem Lab, Arvind Fashion, AstraZeneca, Oro Pharma, Bikaji, Caricil, Brigade, Coal India, Eris Life, Gabriel, Greenply, Hemisphere Property, Hightech, JB Chemical, Jyoti Lab, Kalyan Jeweler, Kefin, Maharashtra Simless, Medanta, Philip Carbon Black, Oberoi Realty, Power Finance Corporation, Phoenix Mill, Plastiblend, Power Grid, Ratnamani, RR Cable, Shobha, Tanfac, Torrent Power, TVS Motor, United Spirits, Swatek, Wabag, Welspun Corp. So if you notice, all these companies are reporting a solid set of numbers for the September quarter. At the same time, outlook continue to remain pretty robust for next 2 to 3 quarter, and hence we are seeing a different level as far as all these names are concerned. Stock scaling 52-week high despite of market trading with a weak sentiment during the day yesterday. Among the 52-week low, we saw Adani Wilmar hitting 52-week low on the back of news that Adani is likely to exit the JV and new promoter will come in. Honasa Consumer, after a tepid listing, we saw selling in the market, and Campus Footwear, after reporting a weak set of number, is trading at 52-week low levels. Let us check a key global parameter. US 10-year bond yield yesterday spurred up by 12 basis point at 10.63%. This is after the US Fed Powell commented that we are committed to achieving a stance of monetary policy that is sufficiently restrictive to bring inflation down to 2%, and we are not confident that we have achieved such a stance. So this hawkish comment from Mr. Powell led to the spike in a 10-year bond yield, and hence we have seen correction of 0.6 to 0.8% in the US stock market yesterday. Russell 2000, which is a small cap index in US market, was down by 1.5%, and that has been a big underperformer during this year. Brent crude continued to stay remain stable at $80. US dollar index continued to trade at flattish levels at 105.8. Yesterday we saw spurred in US volatility index US VIX up by 6% to 15.3 levels. This is kindly slightly alarming from US market perspective. However, India VIX was relatively calm at 11 levels. European market, on the contrary, were up by 0.8 to 1% in the trade yesterday, and the key reason being a decent set of number in the European market. Asian market today morning is trading in red between 0.3 to 0.7%, and to that extent we may see gap down opening to the tune of 100 points in Nifty. GIFT Nifty is trading at 19,374 levels, and this indicates that we may open 100-point gap down in the trade today. Overall, global sentiment seems to be cautious after a healthy rally during last 7 to 8 trading session, and today is the day where we may see some lackluster trade as far as Nifty and Sensex is concerned. Now let us focus on the key results which were declared yesterday. So many companies have declared their number for September quarter. So I have divided all these companies into 3 buckets. one is a strong set of results, one is excellent or decent set of number, and one is a weak set of number. The companies which have reported a strong set of number, on the top is Oro Pharma, sales up by 37% at 2,669 crore. Profit up by 106% at 416 crore. A pretty strong set of number from Aurobindo Pharma, in line with other pharma companies, and we may see positive reaction in Oro Pharma in the trade today. Suryodaya Small Finance Bank, again a robust set of number. Advances deposit up by 29%, 52% at 6,921 levels and 6,388 crore. NII PPOP up by 26% and 23%, and net NPA down to at 1.4%. The bank is on track for 2% ROA and 15% ROE in FY24, trading at a decent valuation of 1 price to book. I think we may see some positive reaction in Suryodaya Small Finance Bank. Force Motor, a record set of number in terms of quarterly results. Revenue, EBITDA and PAT were at record level in the September quarter. Sales up by 43%, PAT up by 388% at 94 crore. The company has reported strong operating cash flow of 316 crore. If the sales momentum continue to sustain for the month of November and December, we may see December quarter also to be pretty strong for Force Motor. Finotech Chemical, one of the star performer as far as chemical companies are concerned. Revenue at 145 crore versus 134 crore, PAT at 31 crore as compared to 21 crore. We have seen margin expansion in Finotech Chemical, and stock may react positively. Auto Ancillary, Sharda Motors and Subros India both have reported a solid set of number. For Subros, revenue up by 17%, EBITDA up by 78%, and the company has reported a profit at 27 crore, which was up by almost 3 times year over year. Sharda Motor has reported a profit of 81 crore against 55 crore. So both these companies are likely to react positively in the trade today. Ramki Infra, Indotech Transformer, Electro Steel Casting and BEML are other companies which have reported a pretty strong set of results. Now let us check companies which have reported decent or inline set of results. So on the top comes Muthoot Finance. Loan disbursement up by 24% at 79,493 crore. Gold loan portfolio up by 20% at 67,517 crore. So majority of the portion of the overall loan book still constitute a gold loan. And reported profit was up by 24% year over year at 1,095 crore. Trading at 2 times price to book. I think it's a decent set of number, and we may see some positive reaction in short to medium term in Muthoot Finance. Engineers India, a decent set of number. Flat sales at 790 crore, profit up by 69% at 127 crore, led by strong execution. Order inflow to the tune of 3,911 crore, order book of 7,694 crore, and we may see positive reaction in Engineers India today. Parag Mill continue to report a solid set of numbers similar to last quarter. Profit up by 68% at 27 crore. Ace, one of the construction equipment company, pretty strong set of numbers. Sales, PAT up by 37%, 118% at 673 crore and 74 crore. RVNL, decent set of number, kind of flattish, PAT at 394 crore. On a relative basis, Ircon has reported a better set of number, and we may see some positive reaction or momentum in Ircon as well as RVNL. Lemon Tree, decent set of number, profit of 26 crore as compared to 19 crore. However, trading at expensive valuations, and we may see tepid reaction as far as Lemon Tree is concerned. Forging, decent set of number, reported revenue of 388 crore versus 351 crore, PBT of 49 crore versus 43 crore. Other companies which have reported a decent set of number are Gufic Bioscience, Senco Gold. We have seen 2Q is a lean quarter. Shifting of festival season led to some impact. However, sales was up by 25%. Company reported profit of 12 crore versus 9 crore. We have seen a decent run up in a Senco Gold in term due to the cheaper valuation, and we expect the stock to trade kind of muted in short to medium term. Medanta Hospital reported a solid set of number, PAT up at 125 crore versus 85 crore. Z Entertainment, inline set of numbers. Star Cement, a pretty robust set of number. As we are seeing that Eastern India is reporting a very solid set of number as far as cement sector is concerned, due to the healthy demand and uptick in cement prices. Moving on to the weak set of number, so Campus is the company which has reported a weak set of number, and to that extent we are seeing that the stock is trading at 52-week low. Again, result heavy day today. So between 10th of November and 15th of November, almost 1200 companies are going to declare their results, and that's bring down the curtain on the results season. So next Friday will be very heavy day as far as results are concerned, and to that extent we may see stock specific reaction. The key companies which are likely to declare results are LIC, ONGC, Coal India, Mahindra and Mahindra, Hindustan Aeronautics, Hindalco. The entire list of companies which are declaring results is captured in our morning report. At the same time, is shared on our Telegram channel. Other companies or other news to which will be on focus are Tata Motors. We have seen rating upgrade by Moody's from B1 to BA3. Structurally long-term positive as far as Tata Motors is concerned. Hindustan Aeronautics, they have tied up with Airbus for setting up a civil MRO facility for A320 aircraft at Nasik. So that's the positive in medium to long term for HAL. GR Infra and GRSC, both these companies have seen the order win to the tune of 200 crore and 800 crore respectively. Blue Jet Healthcare, the recently listed pharma companies under trouble because of the order from Pollution Control Board to close the Mahad unit, which is one of the key unit as far as the company is concerned, and the adverse reaction may be seen in Blue Jet Healthcare. Let us check which is the company which is likely to get listed today. One is ISAF, small finance bank, southern focus small finance bank. The issue price was at 60 rupees and IPO was subscribed 73 times on the final day, and it is likely to get listed at a decent premium in the trade today. Promoter buying, so we have seen promoter buying in ISMT and Link Pen. In ISMT, promoter group Kirloskar Industries has bought 12,900 shares, whereas in Link Pen, promoter group has bought around 7,500 shares. So if I have to summarize today's discussion, so overall global sentiment looks cautious today. Post spike in US 10-year bond yield from by 12 basis point after the hawkish comment from US Fed Chairman Powell. Many companies are reporting excellent set of number, and one should focus on them. One should ignore the market levels what Nifty and Sensex is trading at. It seems that Sensex and Nifty will continue to trade in a range after a ferocious rally during last 7 to 8 days, and stock specific action may continue. As we have discussed, 1,200 companies are likely to report results during the next 5 days, and stock specific action will continue. Looking at a healthy set of numbers and revival in market sentiment, we have recommended some stocks in various products. So I would like to put forth that list in front of you. Starting with Diwali pick, so we have recommended ICICI Bank, Maruti, Ultratech, Polycab, Kalyan Jeweler, Praj Industry, Titagarh Wagon, Victor Food, and Kolte Patil and Good Luck as a part of our Diwali pick. We have recommended PNB Housing Finance, PSP Project, Varun Beverages, Venus Pipe, Vatek Wabak, Larsen & Toubro, PI Industry as part of our pick of the day and pick of the week. And 2 weeks back, we have released 9 stocks under the Navratri pick, Techno Funda pick. Those were Tata Consumer, Zomato, Ircon, Sun Pharma, Bajaj Consumer, NTPC, SJVN, ICICI, General Insurance, Mahindra and Mahindra. So these are the few companies which one can focus on from investment perspective, and any dip in the market should be used as an opportunity to buy a quality businesses in the portfolio. That's all for the day. I wish once again a happy Dhanteras to you and your family. Have a good day ahead. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.